Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we have seen list of built-in functions and how to use them in select statements. In this module, we'll see case functions. Topics covered: case function. ANSI SQL provides case function. This is used to create if-then logic within the queries. This can also be used in update statements. Case has two usages. One is simple case, another is searched case. Simple case syntax. Case, we have input value. When condition, when the input value equals something, then resulting value, like that we have n clauses, n when clauses, then else, if nothing happens, then else result value, it displays else result value will be returned, end of the case. So this is the syntax of simple case. Let us see an example. Case function, simple case example. Select table name, case, owner. When sys, then the owner is sys. When system, then the owner is system. Else the owner is user. End of the case. From all tables. There is a table called all tables available in the database, in Oracle database server. You log in as any user, all tables will be available to you. So there you find, you are selecting table name and owner of the table. So the owner of the table is sys, then it displays the owner is sys. If the owner of the table is system, then it displays the owner is system. Else it displays the owner is user. User is a function I am using here, the one which you log in. That means the table belongs to that login user. If you see the result set, Jewel is a table. It is the owner. Jewel is a table name, and the owner is sys. And system privilege map, the owner is sys. Like that, you have all the system variables, all the system or tables. I am demonstrating the execution of the query. Click on this. You see this result set. Jewel, the owner is sys. And you see help table is there, the owner is system. Object attribute, the owner is HR. Like that, you have all the HR tables. And in between you have PLSQL trace runs. This is a table name and the owner is sys. Like that, you have all the table names as well as the who is the owner. It displays the owner name. Searched case syntax. Case is the reserved word. When Boolean condition, then resulting value. Like that, you have Boolean condition 1, then resulting value 1. When Boolean condition 2, then resulting value 2. Like that, you have n conditions. Then else result expression, end of the case. So let us see an example on searched case function. Select first name, case. When salary is less than $3,500, then display low salary. When salary is greater than $3,500 and salary is less than $10,000, then display medium salary. Else high salary, display high salary. That is end case. And from employees table, the result is shown in the picture. Stephen is the first name. He has the highest salary, high salary. Nina is also having high salary. Lex is having high salary. That means that the salary is greater than $10,000. Bruce is having medium salary. That means his salary is between $3,500 and $10,000. I am executing this query to demonstrate the use of searched case statement. You see this? Stephen has high salary, Nina has high salary. That means it indicates that their salary is greater than $10,000. And John has medium salary. So medium salary, like that you have all the things. So in this example we are using searched case. Thank you.